Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Boat Leap Call smartwatch. First, make sure your smartwatch is fully charged. This ensures a smooth setup process without interruptions. Next, download the official Boat Companion application onto your smartphone. You can find it in your device's app store. Finally, activate Bluetooth on your phone, as this is essential for the connection. Now, open the Boat Companion app on your smartphone. Within the app, you'll typically find an option like Add Device or Pair New Device. Tap on this to begin the search for your smartwatch. Your phone will then display a list of available devices. Select your Boat Leap Call smartwatch from this list to initiate the pairing. Once you select your smartwatch, a pairing request will appear on both your phone and the watch. Confirm this request on both devices to establish the connection. The app will then ask for various permissions, such as access to notifications and health data. Grant these to ensure full functionality. You might also be prompted to allow location services. If you encounter any connection issues, try restarting both your smartphone and your Boat Leap Call smartwatch. This often resolves minor glitches. Also, regularly check for updates to both the companion app and your smartwatch's firmware to ensure optimal performance. Remember to keep your phone and watch within a 10-meter range for a stable connection.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.